Hello everyone. In this lesson, we will learn about index operations. Index operations include three parts: creating indexes, viewing indexes, and deleting indexes. There are three ways to create indexes. The first method is to create an index while creating a table using the create table statement. The second method is to add an index to an existing table using the alter table statement. The third method is to add an index to an existing table using the create index statement, but it cannot be used to create a primary key index. Now let's provide an example to illustrate the third method. Using the create index statement to create an index. To create an index using the create index statement, the general format is as follows: create unique vertical line, full text vertical line, spatial index index underline, name on table underline, name, column underline, name order, where one table underline, name, is the name of the base table on which the index is to be created. The index can be created on one or multiple columns of this table, with column names separated by commas. After each is less than column underline, name is greater than. You can optionally specify the order of index values using order, where the order can be ASC ascending or desc descending. The default value is ASC. 3 unique indicates the creation of a unique index, where each index value corresponds to a unique data record. 4 full text indicates the creation of a full text index. 5 spatial indicates the creation of a spatial index. Let's provide an example of creating indexes for the student course and SC tables in the student course enrollment database. For the student table, we will create a unique index in ascending order based on the student ID SNO. The statement to be used is create unique index 9 underline SNO on student SNO. For the course table, we will create a unique index in ascending order based on the course ID ANO. The statement to be used is create unique index 9 underline ANO on course ANO. For the SC table, we will create a unique index in ascending order based on the student ID SNO, and in descending order based on the course ID ANO. The statement to be used is create unique index 9 underline SC on SC SNO ASC ANO desc. To view the index information for a specific table, the statement used is show indexes vertical line. Index vertical line. Keys from table underline, name. The keywords indexes, index, or keys can be used interchangeably. As an example, let's consider viewing all the index information for the student table. The specific SQL statement and the execution result are shown on the screen. From the screenshot of the execution result, it can be seen that the student table has 2 indexes, namely the primary index and the 9 underline SNO index. Here are the meanings of the main fields. Non-underline, unique, indicates whether the index can have duplicate values. 0 indicates it cannot have duplicates, while 1 indicates it can. Key underline, name, the name of the index. If the index is a primary key index, its name will be primary. Sec underline, in underline, index, the sequence number of the field in the index. It starts from 1 by default. Column underline, name, the name of the field on which the index is created. Collation indicates whether the index field has sorting. A represents sorting, while null indicates no sorting. Cardinality, it represents the likelihood of MySQL using the index in a query. A higher value indicates a higher likelihood. Sub-underline, part, the length of the prefix index, for example. 3. If all field values are indexed, it is null. Index underline type, the type of index. Possible values are BTRE, full text, hash, and RTRE. Comment. Additional comments on the index field. Index underline comment. Any comments added while creating the index. Once an index is created, the system takes care of its selection and maintenance, without requiring user intervention. The purpose of creating an index is to reduce query time. However, if there are frequent data insertions, deletions, or modifications, the system will spend a significant amount of time maintaining the index, which may not be worth the overhead. Therefore, it is sometimes necessary to remove unnecessary indexes. In SQL, the drop index statement is used to delete an index. The syntax is drop index underline name on table underline name. For example, to delete the student ID index 9 underline snow from the student table, the SQL command to be executed is drop index 9 underline snow on student. The execution result is shown on the screen. When deleting an index, the system simultaneously removes the description of that index from the data dictionary. Short answer questions. Multiple choice questions. Select one answer choice. Multiple choice questions. Select more answer choices. Fill in the blanks questions. True or false questions. We have introduced the basic operations of creating, viewing, and deleting indexes up to this point. We hope that everyone has a good understanding and mastery of these operations. Goodbye, everyone.